question. We'll continue from where I was. I'll continue from where I was before. Let me just check that the audio is working. Get the chat out. Pop the chat out. I'll continue from where. All right, the next one is going to be the last person to fit in the bus. Let's see how this goes. I think I can go ahead and share my screen. Close the previous question. So, last person to fit in the bus. Okay, SQL. Let's do it. Queue. There is a queue of people waiting to board a bus. However, the bus has a weight limit of 1,000 kilograms. There may be some people who cannot board. Write a solution to find the person name of the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. The test cases are generated such that the first person does not exceed the weight limit. The result format is in the following example. Okay, queue table, person name, weight turn, person name, John Cena. John Cena. 600. Okay. Order by the turn for simplicity. Last person to board, cannot board. It's kind of a hint here. Yeah, I mean, you can sort by turn, generate the cumulative sum. There's like a function to generate the cumulative sum. And then you can get the last filter. Then you can filter where that sum is less than or equal to 1,000, and then just use limit 1 to get the last element, the last record. Oops. I don't think limit 1 is what I want. I think I want gotta be careful because limit sometimes gives you the wrong order. Yeah, there's a way to get the last element is I'm looking for limit. It's not the query optimization, but just limit that I'm looking for. I'm not sure if I can get the last element, the last row that easily. Just the select syntax. Limit. Constrains the number of rows. I want to say I can do you can do a range, right? Okay, offset to return number of rows. Yeah, I can do offset of the initial row is 0, not 1. So I can just get the count -1 and then do 1 as the limit, I think, to get the last one. Yeah, so how do I get the running total in MySQL? I think you could do aggregate functions for that. Running total MySQL. Forgot how to do that exactly. User variables, simpler solution. I think there's a way to do that without using a variable, actually. Window functions. Yeah. Resort to using a derived table or with clause to better structure your query. With daily count. Oh, I see. Order by interesting. DC sum C over daily year, daily DC date, SD. Count SP group ID. Order by day of year over the window. That's confusing. Well, this is over D, right? Sum over D. Can I do this? What is it? Yeah, okay, I can try to use a window function then. All right, let's try it. Select from queue, and I want count. I actually don't need the count. I just need order by where's the turn, and then there's the sum of the weights over order by turn. I don't know. Probably turn is correct. Something like this. What does this look like? I'm not too sure about this one. I'm pretty sure I use a window function here of some kind, but it's not obvious to me exactly how it's supposed to work. Okay, so I got, oh, it works. That's it. Just order by turn. That's it. That's literally it. It's pretty straightforward. Okay. I don't really know how that works exactly though, you know? Why does it's sum of weights over order by turn. What does that do? What does that do? What? Huh. A lot of stuff I don't know. Just don't know it offhand, I guess. Window function concepts and syntax. Interesting. It's not really over window function. Huh. Aggregate functions work on Windows. What is going on? Where's the over clause? That's what I need to look at. What does this do? So the first over clause is empty, which treats the entire set of query rows as a single partition. The window function thus produces a global sum, but does so for each row. Okay, interesting. All right. Okay. The second over clause partitions rows by country, producing a sum per partition per country. The function produces the sum for each partition row. Okay. So partition by country. Now there's an order by as well that I could use. What is the order by clause? Window functions are permitted only in the select list and order by clause. Query results permitted for many aggregate functions. That's great. That's probably what I should look at. But what does the order by do? The partition. Maybe that's what I should be looking at, is the function itself, the sum. The over clause is described. If executed as a window function, the over clause is present. Over clause is described. It cannot be used with distinct. Okay. Not sure what that means exactly, but all right. Where is the concepts and syntax? Is this the one? Yeah. What does the order by in the over clause mean? The order clause. What about the order clause? That's what I want to know. An order by clause indicates how to sort rows in each partition. Partition rows that are equal according to order, the order by clause, are considered peers. If order by is omitted, partition rows are unordered with no processing order applied, and all partition rows are peers. Oh. So with an order, because the turns are unique, right? That's really cool. Each row is considered its own row, its own partition, its own row, and so as I calculate the sum as I go, each one gets a new write-in. Oh, that's really interesting. Okay. So now we can take where sum of weight over as total. What are they looking for? They're looking for just the person name. Okay, I guess I have another subquery here. So select, and then I guess we'll just do a with single row as, and then just select name single row. That's fine. Okay. Order by turn, where total is less than or equal to 1,000, and the limit is going to be count as records. Records -1 I think the limit has to be a constant, actually. I don't think I could do it this way. I could try, but I don't know what this is going to do. Syntax error, maybe? Yeah. Runtime error. Yeah, I was going to say I don't think I can do. I don't think I can do this limit here. Well, let's not do the limit. Let's just do. Okay. Maybe don't do that for now. Name and field list. I think it's person name, right? Let's see. Okay, so I got Alice, but I could just do select from single row. This is not going to be a single row, but I can check this. See what I get. Just make sure this is what I'm after. Okay. Count, I think also order by turn is what I need as records. I don't know if I can actually get the count like that. It's a little awkward, huh? It's a little awkward. Let's try this, where total is less than or equal to 1,000. Runtime error. How come this doesn't work? What's going on here? What is going on there? Have an error. Can I not use a where clause with an order by? Maybe, okay. Say with, so has totals. I don't know, maybe I need to use another select statement. Filtered. Okay. I don't know. Wasn't expecting that. Okay, that works. There we go. And I just want the last row there. Yeah, okay. Order by total descending limit 1. Filtered, yeah. I think that's all I need. Let me, yeah, I think that's all I need. I think that's it. Okay. Well, that works. I guess I have 2 queries then instead of 1. I was hoping to do it with 1 query, but 2 is fine. What do they want? They want the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. Okay. Yeah. So if so if the total is greater than 1,000, that means that the person on the bus exceeded the weight limit. And it was either already exceeded or about to be exceeded. If it's less than or equal to 1,000, the last person where they were added to the bus and it didn't exceed the limit, all those people that didn't exceed the limit are going to be less than or equal to 1,000. Okay. I think that's correct. I think that's all I need. That's it. Excuse me. Let me submit this, see if it works. I suspect that it does. Oh, got it. Nice. Very good. All right, sweet. A few minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. Took me a little while. Let me submit this about 4 more times. See now how much variation I have here. There may be a way to do this that's a little bit faster that doesn't use two queries. Possibly, but I don't know. Not sure exactly. Oh well, it's relatively fast. Yeah, I don't need that actually. All right. Very good. So if you like the video, give it a like and subscribe for more. I think I'll submit this one more time, and then what I'm going to look to do is restart the stream on another question and keep going. Just keep going. Just power through it. I want to get a large number of questions done. I'm going to try to get to 1,000 questions. I think that's the goal, and then I'm going to move on and do something else for a while. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching.